We're here at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. I'm gonna take a quick view of the restroom. They have these cool vanity lights. It's very neat. Like the sink area. Here's the amenity kit. And there is a shower, no tub. Some more amenities right there. Like the artwork that they have. Double spaces for stuff and an iron. Those are always important. Here's your flat screen and your wet bar area. Some things you can buy. Don't pick them up from there because it automatically charges you. There's your ice kit. Some side lighting right there. This is a king size bedroom. Nice corner couch. Some lighting up here. The motif is definitely 60s or 70s with the coloring and the styling. You've got the two lights. It's like a couch bed, but it is a king size bed. And you can pair your phone or tablet, iOS or Android, to the television, so that's cool. And then the view outside. This is a non-pool facing room, so you have a more of a city view. But it seems nice and quiet up here. And you can watch the airplanes land if you like doing that. So this is a good room for that. Too bad we don't have a landing right now. And this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter, taking a look at the new Virgin Hotels in Las Vegas. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.